Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw a vertical line in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, then select brush tool or pen tool as you wish. First of all, select the brush tool, right click on your mouse, select the brush tool and style. Okay, if line style, I select this line. Then increase the size, click, select color, click, hold shift, click and drag it. Again, use this, click, hold shift, click and drag it. Using the pen tool, again create a new layer, select the pen tool without fill and color, red, press enter. Click anywhere, hold shift, okay, increase the size. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.